Welcome to my channel Learn with Reshu. Today in my previous video I have explained you how annotation based configuration is achieved in Spring Framework, and in that video if you noticed I have explained the annotation based configuration, but the property initialization. So there were some point where the property of a class has null, and now in this video I will it is an extension video. So in this video I will explain you why that property is null and how can we add the property in that class, in that particular class. So let's dig into the code and get started. So if you have seen my previous video, in this video I have used this triangle class, and I have tried to create a bean of this triangle class here. And when I run this code, let's first see if this code is running correctly or not. So I run this code, and when you see here, it's a null. So why it's null? Because in triangle class we have a property which is known as type, and it's not getting setted. So that's why it's showing null. And in this video I will explain you how we will add this property, how we will add the information in this property. So in the previous class, what I did is, in the previous video what I did is I created the bean of object of, or a bean of triangle with the reference of shape. But instead of that, if I create object of triangle class by reference of triangle class itself, like instead of shape, if I write triangle and triangle, and here I will give the type is triangle, then here what we can do is we just go triangle dot set type, and here we can add whatever type we want. So for example, if we in my spring.xml I have used equilateral triangle. So if I add here the value equilateral triangle and triangle dot draw, then that value will not be null. So let's have a look. See, equilateral triangle. So that is how you can add the properties in the file. So previously what I was doing is I was referring to the shape interface, and in the shape interface there was no property called type. But in the triangle class there is a property called type, and for adding the value to the property in the particular class, we need to do reference of the particular class here instead of the interface. And by this way you can add the properties into the class as well, and we can set the properties. Okay, so I hope you understand this small concept, and this is what I wanted to explain you in this video. And if you understand, if you like the video, please subscribe my channel, please like my channel. If you think it's a nice video, or if you learn a little bit of the Spring Framework from this video, please share this video with your friends so that they can also have some good knowledge about the Spring Framework, and if they want, they can learn it. Thank you very much. Bye bye.